everyone, and welcome back to another vlog. This is my hotel room tour of the Staybridge Suites Hotel. Okay, and I hope you enjoy it. So first, we come through the door and into the living room. So as you can see, this is a 3-seater. You can put your feet up and watch TV. Really comfortable spot. These places were kind of like designed for you to be a home away from home. And we have the kitchen with a full-size refrigerator, dishwasher, sink, breakfast table. It's really nice. And on the other side of that table, or island, it has stool chairs. And then we have the bedroom with a king-size bed. And again, a very nice, comfortable size room with a television. And it's really good to have a separate sleeping arrangement from the living room. That's what I particularly like about suites. Because when you have like the bed and everything in one, to me it's just like I need a little bit more space. And then if you have company with you, at least there's some space between you and them. This couch right here was so comfortable. I actually fell asleep on this couch. You just put your feet up. It's by the window. You don't see the view. I didn't take a picture of the view from the window, but the window, it overlooks the pool that's here. Next time I'm here, because the pool was closed, I'll definitely show you the pool area, which was so pretty. Again, the TV, and if you notice, these are French doors that separate the bedroom from the living area, which was really nice. And then we have the bathroom right off of the bedroom. So the only thing is that if you have company, they have to walk through the bedroom to the bathroom. But again, you know, it's a hotel, so what can we do? So this one only has one bathroom. So I'd rather it be off the bedroom, because I mean, how many people are staying in your coming to visit you in your hotel room anyway? So this is the closet. It has a really good amount of space. As you can see, they give you extra blankets, a laundry bin. They do have laundry facilities in the hotel, and shelves to hang your things. Well, to place your things, not really hang them. The sink, and then the sink, the way they arrange the soap on the sink is so cute. With the fold, the way they folded the towel, and then you have your blow dryer right there in plain sight, so you don't have to look for it. It's not in a bag somewhere. It's right there. So that was really convenient. And then you have your door to the toilet and shower. So that's really nice too. There is a vent here, so you can turn on the fan, you know, if you're doing other business than number one. So that's really nice. And the door to separate it so that, you know, the other parts of the room doesn't have to be contaminated. And so the shower, regular shower head, regular shower. They had very good water pressure, and so you don't have to worry about that. It was definitely a really nice stay. You feel really at home here at the Staybridge Suites. Please check it out. I had a really nice time.